Hey there! Welcome to USA Tech Deals. We're really glad you stopped by. If you've ever felt overwhelmed choosing a laptop, a smart device, or even a pair of headphones, we get it. Tech can be complicated. That's exactly why we're here. At USA Tech Deals, we dig deep into tech product reviews, compare the best options, and bring you real, unbiased insights, so you can make confident buying decisions without wasting your money. We also handpick Amazon deals, test products when possible, and share easy-to-understand guides to help you shop smart, not hard. We're a small but passionate team of tech lovers creating this content for you, not big brands. We don't flood our site with annoying ads or push products we don't trust. That's why your support truly matters. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, sign up for our newsletter, or shop through our affiliate links, you help us keep going and growing. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe to our free email newsletter for weekly tech tips and best deals. And if you ever find value in our product reviews, consider using our links to make your purchase. It won't cost you a penny extra, but it helps us create more honest, helpful content just for you. We truly appreciate your time and support. Thanks for being part of our tech-loving community. Stay smart, shop tech, and we'll keep doing our best to bring you the value you deserve. Head over to www.usatechdeals.com and let's simplify your next tech decision together. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.